If you want to give any feedback, you can unmute your mic and give any feedback or any advice, or also if you have any expected program that you want to be organized by the BRWF in the future.
Yes, please. Rizwan is here from Pakistan.
Yes, Rizwan, Shah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please,
It
sir.
was a very wonderful event. Everything was excellent, amazing. And I would like to say that events like this shall be organized once a month at least for all the participants, because it was a conducive learning event. Everything was wonderful and novel, and was according to the need of time. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Rizwan Shah. Thank you for your feedback. We'll keep that in mind. Now, anyone else?
Wassalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. You can give your feedback.
Yeah, sure. So I think these sessions are very good, particularly at this time that we are in AI age, and things are rapidly developing in all aspects of AI, and in particular academics. So the more, like what the previous speaker said, that the frequency of having these meetings will also really help us. So if we have it a month, I support that. It will really be good for us, because we'll be catching up with what AI world has to say, in as to dictate in terms of where, how we write and how things evolve. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jack. We are very happy to have Mr. MD Sabir Hossain sir with us. Due to the scarcity of time, I would like to go directly to Mr. Sabir Hossain and asking to start his speech, and that's all. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can start. It's been a long time.
Yeah, no problem. Because those who are still there, I have an announcement for them. So it's good to filter out the people who are really enthusiastic or who are not. Can you see me clearly?
Yes,
So
sir.
let,
We can
let
see you,
some,
sir.
Yes, we can see you.
yeah. Ignore my background because I am at home, not in office. So okay. So Dr. Rabia, are you there also? Dr. Rabia, are you there? Or he left? I don't know. Dr. Rabia, can you hear me? I think he's not online. So it's really amazing that there is still some people who are with us. It has been more than 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours. Am I right? So it was, I think, I was really sorry that I wanted to join from the very beginning, but due to my another program, I could not make it. But I was connected with you and seeing so many participants. Like, we have a policy that we just has given the opportunity to the really enthusiastic person, and we organized a quiz based on some fundamental knowledge on paper writing, and you see the results. Alhamdulillah, we have selected 68% from 162 applicants, and as far I see, there are maximum number of participants. It fluctuates time to time, but it was 62. See, from 68, it is 62. How much? I am asking the audience. How much? It's about just more than 95 or close to 100. Am I right? So
Yes, you are right.
if we provide the opportunity to everyone, you see the number of participants will still be the same. So that's why B Researcher BD is a still is a non-profit open platform, and we are trying to assess these as just new learners basically. Why I am saying new learners? If you visit our YouTube channel, our page and LinkedIn, you will see we have provided a vast guideline regarding how to become a researcher. You know, as an example, we can say already Ashikquer Rahman mentioned it that we have a course named How to Become a Researcher. This course covers the basic knowledge regarding knowledge, tools, techniques to become a researcher from the very beginning, and it receives huge attention to the beginners, and it receives 85 more than 85,000 views within a very short time. Now we are uploading the same lecture in English, and we also organize most demanding course like you see Python for research, MATLAB for research, JS for research, are also very important workshop like SPSS, many workshops we visit, and we already told that we have already uploaded more than 500 lectures, tutorials in our BRBD YouTube channel. But right now we are uploading also the English as well on BRBD World Private channel. So I am really happy to see you at the till the last, till 38%. It is not a very less number, and try to follow up. Always I love to take the feedback from the audience. So we already take few feedbacks, though it is not wise to take at the middle. But if someone is very enthusiastic that he want to express something, we are again opening the floor. Is there anyone who can share feelings, feedback regarding the program? Then I will summarize some few points again. Is there anyone very much enthusiastic?
Just very quickly. Yeah, it was very good for us to listen to the presenter. She's very knowledgeable in terms of AI. Only that the first time that somebody teaches, when you learn a concept, you cannot really get it straight away. So in as much as we will get the upload of the video, it will also be good to get the PowerPoint as well.
The thing is that some people think that okay, using AI is bad. The thing is that if you use ethically, that will make your life very easy. That will reduce your research effort. So you can concentrate on the conceptual issues, how to do a good research, not regarding the organizing things or searching, or the things is not so much conceptual. You can do it by AI tools, but not. I will not recommend you to use AI in generating your research article itself. So be cautious, be sincere regarding this. So thank you, Jack Odongo. Where are you from? Can you please tell your country name?
Yeah, I'm from Kenya. I'm in Nairobi at the moment.
Okay, nice to see you. Because now we are extending our platform to the international audiences. So it's a pleasure for us that we have participants from. Initially we received maybe 70 participants from 70 countries. This is the first international program, and we received huge alhamdulillah attention. It's really also motivating for us as well. So anyone else, please give your.
You did not respond on the PowerPoint issue.
The PowerPoint issue, I will discuss with the speaker and facilitator, and we have other plan as well. Most of the slides of our YouTube channel are not public because some people make money from them. Okay, they design the same course using our slide, and they did not mention it, and they sell it to the audience. So there are some issues we will again discuss with the speaker, facilitator, and we will decide later. And we have your email ID, and we can send it if we decided yes, then it's not an issue at all. But if you receive the video, you receive the slides, you receive the lecture as well. So no need of slides extra if you have the video. And we have a plan to upload our these lectures in our YouTube channel, BRBD World Forum. So subscribe to the channel, and you will have everything, inshallah. Thank you.
Hello all. I wanted to extend my heartfelt gratitude to
please introduce yourself at first. Yeah.
Sure. I am Abdullah from Pakistan, and I am undergraduate final year research student. I just wanted to thank Dr. Rabia. I wanted to extend my heartfelt gratitude to her for her invaluable contribution as a presenter. In fact, Dr. Rabia, your expertise and insights into navigating the ethical landscape of AI, especially the ethical landscape of AI in research, was truly enlightening to us, to all the participants. Your ability to elucidate the complex concepts. These concepts were actually complex for me personally, and you has provided practical guidance and demonstrated your deep understanding of the subject matter. Your presentation actually enriched our understanding of ethical considerations, but also inspired us to incorporate ethical framework into our research endeavors, especially involving AI technologies. Once again, thank you so much, Dr. Abia, for your time and expertise.
Thank you for your nice feedback. We're really happy to hear the good words from the audience. You know, it's always
I would also like to thank the whole team of this webinar, and I would love to attend and even participate in this webinar, upcoming webinars.
and we expect that you will be the future resource person of the Research World Forum, inshallah, and we will have you as
Inshallah.
a speaker. You know, we don't have a pool of expertise, and we bring them and arrange workshop. We generally find speakers from one event to another event. So now this is the key point. I know there are many doctors or professors, and also the industrialists and the professionalism like academician in this workshop. They are joining. Still, they are in the program. So I am requesting them, please reach us. Already we have opened the form, so there is option how you want to work with BRBD Research Call Forum in future. So fill up there or send us email or directly reach me. Share your idea how you can want to contribute to the community, scientific community. So if you have any knowledge regarding research, publication, and higher study, feel free to reach out us, and we will arrange program for you. It will be good because we always try to make the knowledge free, but we have a policy. You know, we cannot arrange this program again and again for free. So the announcement is that this first version of the program is free now, but the second version of the same program will be paid. You know, this will be open on YouTube. We are not forcing people to buy the course from us, but the same program will be live again. And you know, the resource person, he has time constraint. His time is also valuable, so we should honor him. So the first program will be free, and we will open it on YouTube for free forever. But second, when we are going to organize the same program repeatedly, this will be paid. This is our model. So this is the model of BRBD. We want to make the knowledge available for everyone, but at the same time we want to also honor the speaker as well. So is there anyone, or we are going to close the program? Is there anyone to say something else, or so let's finish. I think many people don't want to like live, but I am pretty sure that they will like to provide feedback on Google Form. So the Google Form is still available on the WhatsApp group. And Ashik, please again share it on the WhatsApp group so that they can provide the feedback. And again, it is very less that I will provide thanks to Dr. Rabia. He has spent more than 2.5 hours, providing and sharing his knowledge. And I am requesting the participants that if we have some positions, you know, Dr. Rabia is still he's searching on good positions regarding his expertise. So you can see his profile, and if you have an option in your organization, or you can also recruit him or offer him good positions regarding research and writing higher study. Also, he is from his field background, so he is still open. She is still open. You can also invite him as a speaker or consultant to your platform or organization as well. So again, I am also grateful to my team like Ashikquer Rahman, Sultan Mahmud. He is working behind the scene. Also Saidur Rahman Kohinoor. Also, you know, the person who said the questions for the quiz is Sumon Ali. He is the lecturer of Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, Natwa, Bangladesh, and he is now doing his postgraduate in KFUPM. So I am really grateful to everyone, and inshallah, with your assistance and help in future, we'll organize more fruitful and effective workshops, course, webinar, inshallah. So thanks again for joining and showing your enthusiasm. In future, we will see you again. So that's all from my side. And if Ashik, do you have any announcement, you can proceed. So that's all from my side, inshallah. And I hope that the participants from here will be speaker in future in the BRWF program. Thanks all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Ashik, you can continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you all for your valuable discussions and suggestions. To get the updates on our activities, follow our page, join our group, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay with Be Researcher World Forum BRWF and invite your research enthusiast friends to our platform. Thank you for being with us. Wish you all success and good health. Goodbye.